What's going on, Voyagers?
Hi.
So today we'll be doing a little bit of a different voyage today. We're just gonna take like a little hike and explore this trail that we saw today. We do see signs posted that says no parking from sunrise to sunset.
Yeah.
So it's basically sunset. So we're gonna try to get as much footage as we can possible for you guys. So I hope you guys like. It's gonna be a short video, but we hope you like it. Okay. See you guys there. Bye. Alright guys, so that was it. We got stopped by park ranger, I believe.
Yeah.
And they said that they were closing the park. So we only got to see a little bit, but we asked him and he said that we were like missing like maybe like
4 minutes.
yeah, two to 4
finish.
minutes, you know. So it wasn't, we didn't really miss a lot, you know.
Yeah.
But next time we're gonna probably come earlier during the day. There's a lot more sun outside, you know, and it's not so cold because we brought sweaters. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini vlog. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. We're trying to do a little bit more vlogs too, you know. We don't want to just go live, but I know you guys enjoy all of our content, you know. So any last words, babe?
No, just let's have a good night.
All right guys, good night. See you guys on our next one. Bye.
Bye.